I tell you what, I mean, my first open house was the agent that actually was representing a buyer on my first listing that I listed was a $100,000 listing. This guy shows up or pulls up in a really beautiful car. I think it was Mercedes-Benz. Elderly gentleman. We started having conversation. Me being a brand new agent, I'm asking questions. I'm like, how are you getting your business? He's like, open houses. I was like, really? He's like, yeah, I do like 4 or 5 open houses a week. I just make my mobile office. I was like, really? And how many deals do you close a month? He's like, I close like 4 or 5 deals. And most of them are from open houses. I'm like, really? He's like, yeah, and here's my steps, the way I do things. Wow. The next day, I'm calling an agent outside of my brokerage because I didn't have any listings in my area. There was a listing across the street where I used to live. It was a vacant home, been on the market for 60 days. I called the guy up. He's like, yeah, go knock yourself out. I was like, well, I have a little problem or little request. I don't have any open house signs. Can I borrow them from you? He's like, yeah, as long as you return them. I was like, yeah, absolutely. So I borrowed 5 signs. I did the open house. Again, it's not my listing. The